Express yourself. Mastering likes and dislikes in English. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to focus on a fun and personal way to practice conversational English, expressing likes and dislikes. More specifically, we'll create personal lists of likes and dislikes to enhance our language skills and make conversations more engaging. Let's get started. Understanding how to express likes and dislikes is crucial in English. It allows you to share your opinions and learn about others. Here are some basic phrases. I like, I love, I enjoy, I dislike, I hate, I can't stand. Each of these can be followed by a noun, verb plus ing, or an adjective. For example, I love dogs. I enjoy swimming. I can't stand being late. Don't forget to practice these phrases as they are the building blocks of our lesson today. Creating personal lists of likes and dislikes is a great way to practice these phrases. The goal is to make a list of at least 5 items you like and 5 items you dislike. Let's start with likes. Perhaps you love pizza, enjoy hiking, or like reading books. Whatever it is, write them down. Now let's move on to dislikes. Maybe you dislike spiders, can't stand loud noises, or hate being in traffic. Add these to your list. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. These lists are personal to you. Now that we have basic lists, let's take it a step further. Try to add reasons or details to your items. For example, I love pizza because it's delicious and versatile, or, I can't stand loud noises as they give me a headache. Adding details not only helps you practice more complex sentences, but also makes your conversations richer and more interesting. Finally, let's put these lists into practice. Try to incorporate your likes and dislikes into conversations with others. You can ask others about their likes and dislikes, too. Here's an example conversation. Person A: I love reading books. How about you? Person B: I like reading as well, especially mystery novels. But I can't stand horror movies. This not only helps you practice your English, but also builds deeper connections with people. And that's it for today's lesson on expressing likes and dislikes in English. We've learned some basic phrases, created personal lists, expanded those lists with details, and even practiced through conversation. I hope you found this lesson useful and enjoyable. Remember, practicing English is all about using it in real-life situations. So, take your likes and dislikes lists and start talking. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.